Hello everyone, for this tutorial video, I'd like to talk about weight and normal forces, and how you can often use Newton's third law to solve problems involving these two specific types of forces. The weight of an object is simply the force of gravity acting on it at all times. Because we know that Newton's second law states that force equals mass times acceleration, we would expect the more massive object to have a greater pull from gravity. Although this is true, you must also remember from the formula that a more massive object has a greater resistance to acceleration. So as a net result, these two factors cancel, and the acceleration due to gravity is the same on any object, ignoring factors such as air resistance. The next force is what is called normal force, and is called that because when two solid objects contact, the force of one object pressing against another object is met by the second object exerting an equal and opposite force. Case in point, the force of the table discussed in the last video. This implies that the greater the normal force an object exerts, the greater it accelerates, or the greater the particles that make it up accelerate. Because of this, the object will eventually break when it can no longer support the normal force. However, I will not go in depth about the mechanical properties of materials until a later video. Simply know that this is true for now. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.